In the small town of Laurel, Montana, there's a company that makes machines to move big things with the power of vacuum, and we've been doing it for more than 50 years. The company? Wood's Powr-Grip. Wood's Powr-Grip started with a small tool called the valve grinder. Howard Wood, the founder of Wood's Powr-Grip, invented this tool in his garage at Wolf Point, Montana. This device was used to hold engine valves during the lapping process. Next came handheld vacuum cups used by glazers to install panes of glass. Now these weren't ordinary everyday suction cups. These were industrial strength vacuum cups capable of lifting loads up to 175 pounds apiece. Unlike other suction cups of the day, these used a vacuum pump integrated right into the handle. A special red line on the plunger gave a visible warning if the vacuum cup began to lose its grip. This allowed the glazer to safely set the glass down and re-establish vacuum before continuing the lift. The Powr-Grip design prevented a lot of serious accidents in the glass industry. Wood's Powr-Grip has grown exponentially over the last 50 years, and today our products are used in a variety of industries around the world. Powr-Grip equipment lifts stone slabs into position on large cutting tables and finish stone countertops into place. Wood's Powr-Grip vacuum lifters can be found loading heavy sheets of steel or aluminum onto water jets, plasma cutters, and CNC equipment. We also have a line of vacuum lifters used to install insulated metal panels up to 60 feet in length for building construction. But still, the majority of our lifters are used to install building elements such as windows, storefronts, and glass curtain walls. Wood's Powr-Grip vacuum lifters have been seen in action in many high-profile construction projects, like the Skywalk over the Grand Canyon, the 9/11 Memorial Building in New York, and the Sydney Opera House in Australia. But every day, all around the world, Wood's Powr-Grip vacuum lifting products help installers and fabricators get the job done safely, ergonomically, and efficiently. No matter what size the job, big or small, the equipment manufactured by Wood's Powr-Grip helps make big things happen, all with the power of vacuum.